what it is.
Penalize me for the picture and perfection.
Stop it up.
Tell me from the ghetto, I'm for separate. We can't shy in the celebrating. Me never born with ghost spoon, I hit me elevated. So why you want to keep the youth uneducated? Just see me in prison and incarcerated.
Guys, what a passa going on TikTok with Blinga and TikTok police. Then there's the TikTok police that pop up Miss Blinga neck. With the whooper kissing and kissing. I say blood cloud when I watch the video. I see the boy need to pop up Miss Blinga neck. Yeah, need to pop up Miss Blinga neck. When you look at Miss Blinga neck, full of icky, 100 icky. Mirror ask glad, 100 icky for Miss Blinga neck. Hey, I remember when the boy fling Miss Blinga, when it suck out of the tongue and it suck out the tongue. I say bumbo clan. And what did Miss Blinga suck out the man's tongue? And one excitement, I say, I'm here to put it. I say, boy, Maya pop out the woman neck. I say, Maya pop out the woman necky. And you tell you fling the next side, fling the next side, fling the next side. Hey, whoa, people on the run out. No. And look on the icky for Miss Blinga neck. Me bumbo. Me say Miss Blinga neck full of icky. Miss Blinga neck full of icky. Kill Miss Blinga neck up. Be a icky for Miss Blinga neck. Hey, oh, murder. Blinga neck full of beer icky. When the boy fling Miss Blinga, so when the next I saw Miss Blinga go down so and people all week when Miss Blinga on the head. He nearly jump off of the head. You have to see the ball head no blood clot. But I want to Miss Blinga head ball. When the week jump off of Miss Blinga head to blood clot. Whoa, murder. Blinga, 100 Nicky Miss Blinga get 100 Icky Brims get from a blood clot. Nick murder.
So so she tight. Triple chat.
Triple, nobody nana choo.
You the triple man. You see if you're not getting up on the triple, you stop talk, yeah? Don't
Guys, I tell you no, we have more like what the word expletive picture, but with oh God, we're not gonna show that no, the argument kinda just
sweet, thank you.
you see me? Mel! Guys, please no make Jayden, please guys. You know, so we never win him yet.
You can't go with me.
One more. No, shoot for one more. Not expletive. So what is it? What is it?
Don't worry about find.
Explicit.
So you knock it
daily.
So in the field. In the tight. She pum eerie, she pum full of bomb. What? Give me some information now. Pum gray, it yellow, it black, it white.
One thing me I gotta tell you. I the ugliest pussy that me ever see.
John, you look like your face. John.
No, yo. You know who it look like? Yeah, boy, the face. What's name? Slime face.
Suck out your mother. You can't do slime. Pussy.
Slime face it favor word. Guys, shoot.
So why the reason why you do all of this? Because she not come link you.
Why me I do all of this? No, I tell you, I feel hurt. me I talk to you because my heart did this somewhere where it get fuck.
Me not depend on exposing things still, me not like that part there.
Alright, so look more later.
No, me mean exclusive part.
No, me not listen, me have you see, me got cause why I come out and I say this, bro, me know why you get me wrong enough, fam. Cause at one point she been I tell the people them say, oh, this was between me and her was a prank and one bag of fuckery.
Oh, so you knock it for true.
So them throw me under the car.